Did you know that on average, homes in Excelsior Springs sell for $5,000 to $15,000 over asking price? I'll explain why next. What's up? This is Caleb with VK Real Estate. This is a quick market update for the Excelsior Springs School District. Okay, so that could include certain areas of Mosby, certain areas of Rayville, possibly, just all of the Excelsior Springs School District. So, like I said in the intro, homes regularly sell for over asking price here in this town, and it's also still one of the more affordable areas of the Northland. So let me share my screen here and we'll get right into it. All right, cool. So I'm going to start down here with solds. So right here, you can see we got in the last 30 days had 21 properties sold. Here's where it starts to get interesting. Median days on the market was 5. Now, let me do a quick explainer between medians and averages, because medians are way better for real estate. The reason for that is because averages can be skewed by outliers. So for example, if there's 20 properties on the market and, 80% of them are at 250,000 and below, but there's one property that sold for $1 million, that would artificially inflate an average sales price because you factor in that one that's, $700,000 more than the rest of them, or 750, whatever. So medians are much better. Median would be half of the homes are above this price and half of the homes sold below this price. So you'll see most of the stuff is going to be medians. The only thing that's an average is the list of sales price, which was pretty crazy whenever I did the calculation here. But anyway, so median days on the market, half the homes sold for less than 5 days, half of the homes sold for more than 5 days. Pretty quick. I'll get to that in just a second. Okay, median list price of homes that sold in the last 30 days was $199,700, and the median closed price or sold price was $217,500. That is a 109% increase. So 100 on average. Okay, so total. On average, these homes sold for 9% more than asking, which is the highest in the Northland that I've seen. And we'll cover why that is in just a little bit, but let me finish this up here. Pending 19 right now, under contract. Median days on the market is only 3. So half the homes were on the market for more than 3, half the homes were on the market for less than 3, which is a drop from the 5 of the previous 30 days. Median price point, $179,900. That's list price, because we can't see until it closes. We can't see unless you call the listing agent, which that's I know a few, but I'm not in a position to say that. But if the trend continues, okay, I put it here. If the pattern of selling over list price continues, that means these should close at around 196,091, because that would be 9% more than the list price of what they're under contract for. Go up here real quick. Coming soon, I'm going to cover that here in just a second. Show you guys that one. Right now, there are 7 active listings. They range from $69,900 to $295,000. Median price point, or median list price, I should say, $189,000. Again, if we go with the same trend of selling 9% over asking, they would end up selling for $206,10. I'll show you this incoming one real quick, because you guys can't see that on your end unless you have MLS access. So 505 Arapahoe Drive. Looks like it's on 0.34 acres. Show you a photo. Little 2-bedroom, I think is what it was. Yep, 2-bed, 2-bath, 1,296 square feet. Asking $115,000. Looks like it goes active on the 17th of February. So if you're looking for something in that area, that's something to keep in mind. Let me go back to this. Actually, let me stop this share. So, now the big question is, why do homes sell in Excelsior for 9% more than what they're asking on an average, right? The biggest reason for that, my opinion, is it's a really good market for investors, just being honest. Especially long-term holds or long-term rentals. The rental market in Excelsior is very strong. Even flips are pretty good too, because you can get stuff pretty cheap, but I don't think it's quite as good for flips just because your value ceiling is pretty low compared to other areas where you could be putting your money. But yeah, I mean, the rental market's crazy. So you got investors coming in, bidding against each other, snapping up these homes in 3 to 5 days, putting them under contract. And they're willing to offer over asking, because just today I saw an article that on average, again, we're talking about averages here, so it's total, takes in everything into account. Yeah, rental rates have increased 25% on an average across the metro from December of 2020 to December of 2021. So in 1 year time frame, you've seen a rent increase of over 25%, which, obviously that's attractive to investors, great for landlords. Tenants, maybe not so great, but I don't know what else you could do. Just is what it is. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to keep doing these shorter localized updates regularly. So thank you guys for watching. If you've got value from this, please share, please like it. The more people that see this, more people we can help. So thank you guys.